In this video, we will show you how to manage Google Analytics version 4 using Google Tag Manager. To manage the Google Analytics version 4 via Google Tag Manager, first we need to create our Google Analytics version 4 or GA4. Okay, how to do that? In here, before we creating the Google Analytics, we suggest you to install the plugin to place the code from Google Tag Manager. Okay, in here, we are using WP headers and futures. Okay, you can install this plugin and then you can go to settings and click the WP headers and futures. Okay, in here, in our case, there is no script from Google Analytics, so we need to add one via Google Tag Manager, of course. Okay, create first Google Analytics, or you can just open Analytics like this. Analytics.google.com, you will be redirected. Okay, just click start measuring. Okay, this is our account name. For example, I will create xlib. Okay, we can tick this or we can skip. Just click next. After that, this is the property name. Usually we using property name for easy to remember with our domain name. Okay, just put this domain name as property name. Okay, just click next. After that, and business details, you can type the others if you confuse with this, and this is for your number of employees. Okay, you can select related to you. Just click next. After that, and what do you want to create Google Analytics? For example, generate leads. Okay, just click create. After that, and in here you need to accept the license agreements of Google Analytics. Okay, then you can click accept, and in here you need to start collecting data from web because we need to create for our websites. Okay, this is our website URL. We can back here and we can copy the root domain with www. Okay, so we need to remove this because this is have the HTTPS, and this is website names. Just type pxlib.com, for example, and click create and continue. After that, just click this button and you successfully creating the properties. Okay, you need just click next. After you click next, it will install the Google Analytics. You can install it manually, but in this tutorial, let's manage this Google Analytics via Google Tag Manager. We can close this after that. Okay, we can just open this measurement ID. It will reopen automatically after you creating Google Analytics. But if you confuse, you can back into the analytics.google.com, and let's see how we can access this measurement ID. After you open the Google Analytics homepage, you will be redirected here. Okay, we can just click save here, and you can go to the admins, select admins, and in here you can choose data streams, and on the data streams you will see there is properties that you created before, and you can see your measurement ID. You can copy this. Now you need to go to Google Tag Manager by opening Tag Manager. Okay, .google.com. Okay, you can open this URL. For that, you need to create the Google Tag Manager. You need to create account. For example, the company name. Okay, this is pxlib, for example, United States, and we don't need to share the data. We can fill with our domain name. Okay, we can fill our domain name with this www.pxlib.com, and this is platform for websites, and click create. After you click create here, like Google Analytics, you need to accept the license agreement and then click yes. Okay, after you click yes, you need to creating a tag from Google Tag Manager. Please wait, okay, until this code is appear. If you accidentally close this pop-up, you can go to overview in the workspace and you can click this. It will appear on the pop-up again. This is the code from Google Tag Manager. You need to click this and place into the header. Okay, for example. And please also here into the opening body with this plugin, you easy, okay, to place the script in head, body, and footer with the headers and footer plugin. Okay, I think you know how to install the plugin is very easy. You can just click plugin, add new, and add this plugin. We need to save change after that. We already have this code, okay, in the headers and in the body. So we can close this. After that, to manage the Google Analytics, make sure you copy the measurement ID. And after that, back to Google Tag Manager, go to text here. After you go to text, please wait, this is still loading. After you go to text, just click new. And for example, for easy to identify, just type KA4, Google Analytics 4, for example, space with your measurement ID. This is the easiest way or the easier identify what is tag about. And click tag configuration. You will see there is feature like Google Analytics, ads, or another. Okay, you can see in here, but we will use Google Analytics and select Google Text. After that, you can paste the measurement ID here. Make sure it is the same with this. Okay, then we can click save. After that, the tag is created, but we don't publish before you clicking submit. Just click preview first. Okay, just click preview. It will open another tab, and you need to input your website URL to test if your tag manager is already placed in the right place. Okay, for example, we just place this and click continue or connect. I mean, wait until this is connected. You can see this is pop-up is appear. Now it's connected. After connected, we can click finish and we can click continue. Okay, in here, our Google Tag Manager is found on the websites. Okay, you can see WZ key. It is the same with this code. WZ key. Okay, so we can just click the, okay, we can leave this for Tag Assistant. We can click just submit and we can add the name KA4, for example, here. And we can just click publish after that. After you publish, you can see the Google Tag Manager is already created and managed the Google Analytics successfully. And that's all how you can manage your Google Analytics via Google Tag Manager. Okay. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. And thanks for watching.